Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Male infertility. First, infertility. Infertility is the ability of a couple to conceive, even is the inability of a couple to conceive even after regular unprotected sexual intercourse for over 1 year. If the age of the female is more than or equal to 35 years, then start investigation after 6 months of trying. Incidence of male infertility is around incidence of infertility not male incidence of infertility is around 10 to 15%.
thank you and thank you for watching.